she was so effusive and so energetic and so, I'm going to do this, I want to do this, that I thought, this is great acting.
The toughest thing about Daulat was literally that he had nothing, almost nothing to say.
It's also there in Penosa, and so it is a fictional, dramatic kind of representation. But we decided that whatever that the choice that the character has is what we will go with.
मेरी इंटीग्रिटी मेरा एज एन एक्टर जो मुझे ढूंढना है वो होता ही है और वही तो मेरा काम है मुझे लगता है.
I've in fact approached it like a normal emotional father because that's the crux.
True.
It's the loss of a son that any father will experience.
If you don't like season 2, then I'm not the only person I blame.
Hi, this is Aditi and you are watching me on E-Times. Today I have a bunch of extremely talented and beautiful people joining me who have brought in a significant change in storytelling, be it by acting or by writing. So thank you so much Sikandar, Vikas, Akash sir, Gitanjali ma'am and my favorite Ram Madhwani sir for doing this with me, and we are so happy
You guys.
to have you joining with us today.
Why do you think I'm sitting here?
पैसे पहुंचा दिया?
I didn't miss out anybody.
No, you don't know. You said a lot.
Okay, so as I speak about Arya's character as well as the show is so well crafted, emotional and vulnerable at the same time. So Ram sir, as a director, what were your priorities when you first started creating it? Even though the story mainly focuses on Arya, the way she deals with the world and the conflicts and the choices that she has to make, or were your priorities on the storytelling?
So, in season 2, we have 2 other directors also. There's Vinod Rawat and Kapil Sharma, Caps. And in season 1, I had Sandeep Modi and Vinod Rawat along with me. So, a lot of what you're seeing in Arya is also due credit to them and to the writers. So, I'm here because they were not able to be here just now today. So, I speak on behalf of them also.
Yes.
So, if you don't like season 2, then I'm not the only person I blame.
But since you're the favorite,
Oh yes. Now I'm the only guy at fault. I know.
You get the roses, you get the brickbat.
Yeah, I also get both. I know. Okay, so I wanted to make it as a movie 10 years ago. It did not happen as a movie. 1 month before the movie fell through, and then the great scriptwriter in the sky was writing something else for my life, and so Neerja happened. And then 3 years ago, Disney Plus Hotstar came and said, would you like to make this as a series, which is what it was in Penosa. And I'm happy that the great scriptwriter in the sky was writing this script for me, which I did not know that it was that was writing, that she was writing. So therefore, I'm just happy that first of all it happened in the way that it did, that season 1 has got so much love. But it took me a long while to think about how to make it culturally rooted, how to make it so that it becomes part of our own people.
Yes.
And I remember I was in shooting Satyamev Jayate, the video song for Amir Khan, and we were on a train. And I was looking outside the window, and I asked the TC, I said, what are those flowers? And he said, those are opium flowers, those are poppy fields.
Okay.
And as soon as that happened, suddenly like my mind said, I now know what to do with this. I know where to make it work. I know, what kind of culture to bring it in. And so it's from that time, 10 years ago, it took me then 8 years to actually shoot in those opium fields, which is what we did in season 1, that it took me 8 years to be there. But I'm happy that it took that long because as you can see, it's now the universe has made it happen. So.
True. Another interesting thing about the show was how homosexuality can be included in a show without making it look very shocking or, sensational.
Right.
So as a director, were there challenges in crafting ACP's role that way?
Well, not that we actually, sort of had any great conversations about it. It's something which, as far as the character is concerned, that's a choice that the character has. And so that choice was something which we decided, it's also there in Penosa. And so it is a fictional, dramatic kind of representation. But we decided that whatever that the choice that the character has is what we will go with. So.
So Vikas, coming to you, I absolutely love the way you portrayed ACP Khan, and you were so real. I'm not gonna lie, I sometimes hated seeing you on the screen because you were so annoying at times with your acting. So what were the challenges in approaching him and his sensibilities that way? Do you stand by his virtues?
Yeah, totally. I do. And challenges वही थे कि not because he's a cop, not portray him in a typical cop way, the way we are used to seeing cops on screen. So keep him as real, keep him as human, and I had very good support, of course, from the creative team, and we went along. This same reaction actually, I was lucky I could make it to the Emmys.
Okay.
So New York में I was staying with my friend. I just stepped out, and there was this gentleman, Indian gentleman. He saw me and he was like, and then he came to me. He said, इतनी नफरत की थी ना हमने आपसे शुरू में कि ये क्या ऐसे कैसे कर सकता है सुष्मिता सेन के साथ
Just for that pen drive.
हाँ, मतलब कैसे कर सकता है, और फिर आप एंड में तो मतलब फिर आप हीरो ही बन गए. हमने 3 बार देखी है. एंड ही सेज माय वाइफ लव्स यू, माय डॉटर लव्स यू. आई सेड या ओके, वेरी गुड. इट फेल्ट वेरी गुड. आई मीन थैंक यू.
So Gitanjali ma'am, firstly, a huge congratulations for being a part of season 2.
Thank you.
And since you're essaying the role of a cop, I would like to bring that fact that a women cop is often stereotyped in movies, be it in Bollywood. But in OTT, we do get to see a refreshing side in a female cop. So how do you reflect on that, the changing portrayal of a cop in OTT shows, and especially in shows like Arya?
I feel that first of all an actor has to depend on the script, whatever it has been offered. और जो मुझे सीन्स बताए गए, नरेट किए गए, तो मेरे लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, क्योंकि सुशीला शेखर जो कॉप है वो अलग है जो मैंने आज तक किरदार किए और जो हम जनरली देखते हैं. तो शी इज़ टफ, शी इज़ अगेन हमको मतलब एम्बिशियस है.
Yes.
और ड्रीमर है, और उसकी खुद की काफ़ी वल्नरेबिलिटी है, चैलेंजेस हैं, उसकी खुद के ज़िंदगी में काफ़ी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैं. तो वो हमने एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश की है, जो मुझे लगता है हर इंसान अलग होता है. मे बी वी गेट इन टू अ ट्रैप ऑफ जनरलाइजिंग विमेन और मैन और कॉप्स और एनीबडी, और जो कार्टेल चलाते हैं उनको भी. तो दे आर ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आफ्टर ऑल, एंड दे फेस एवरी डे चैलेंजेस, बी इट फैमिली, बी इट सोसाइटी. तो वो सब मुझे लगता है इस शो का यही सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ है कि हम वही ह्यूमन जो क्वालिटीज़ हैं और वो ह्यूमन जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स है वो ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं.
True. So ma'am, for someone who has explored Marathi cinema, commercial and art and independent films, so as an actor, how do you make sure to bring something fresh on the table, and especially through OTT, without by keeping that individuality of an actor intact?
बाप रे, बहुत ही कठिन सवाल है. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं, मेरा काम ही है तो यही वो इंटीग्रिटी से काम करना, वो ट्रूथफुलनेस लाना जितना मेरे से हो सके, और जितना बाकी सबकी जो मदद होती है, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स से लेके डायरेक्टर्स, आपके को एक्टर्स, वो जो मतलब आर्ट डायरेक्शन, कॉस्ट्यूम, ये तो इतना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रोल निभाते हैं आपको वो सपोर्ट देने में. तो वो जो सच है वो जितना ला पाए अपने किरदार से, हम जब बोलते हैं, हम जब वहाँ पे आते हैं, उसकी कोशिश करते हैं. बीट आर्ट सिनेमा, बीट OTT, बीट कमर्शियल सिनेमा, एनीथिंग, जहाँ पर भी. मतलब अगर मैं कल पृथ्वी में नाटक भी कर रही हूँ, या आज यहाँ पे एक बड़े आर्या जैसे बड़े शो में एक किरदार निभा रही हूँ, मेरी इंटीग्रिटी, मेरा एज एन एक्टर जो मुझे ढूंढना है वो होता ही है, और वही तो मेरा काम है, मुझे लगता है.
Yes. So Akash sir, coming to you, as an actor who's known for playing warm, friendly and endearing fathers, how was it to explore being Shekhawat's father?
It's all of the same. It's warm, endearing, very, very emotional father. It's exactly that.
Because when I saw
as Ram mentioned a little while earlier, it's the situation that turns a human being into giving the reactions that he or she give. So for me, I've in fact approached it like a normal emotional father, because that's the crux.
True.
It's the loss of a son that any father will experience. And the response is within the domain of the text that is provided, the situations that are created, and so forth, and the other characters you play against.
So, sir, for someone who's been in the industry for so long, and every time we see you on screen, you're full of revelations and surprises. So how do you make sure to bring that
That's
on the
surprising.
table?
That's a revelation.
Because your look was totally different in Arya. Like when I saw your glimpses in the trailer, I was like, oh my god, totally different.
मैं कोई डरा वाला नहीं पता नहीं I don't know, I really can't pinpoint that. It's just as I said, I look at how to do best with the truth of the moment and just deliver. I mean, it's so complex and so simple at the same time.
True. So Sikandar or my favorite.
Your favorite? She just said you're my favorite.
No, your favorite, you said?
Yeah,
You
to you.
are one of my
But what you have favorite?
Honestly, bola.
Yeah, one of my favorites.
Okay, thank you.
So should I look at you as Sikandar or Daulat?
You should look at me as Daulat because I've been silent so far.
So Daulat, speaking to you,
Yeah.
see, because Daulat is a very interesting yet a mysterious character in the show. There are so many shades to him. He's loyal, at the same time he's somewhere guilty to the family as well as to Arya. So what was the toughest part about playing him and finding him that way?
That he had absolutely no dialogue. It was really the toughest for me. I mean, honestly, because I realized that a dialogue is actually a crutch.
Yeah.
And I didn't have that. And I just had to stand. And everything had to be it was just so minimalistic. There were times that I wanted to say, but he's a person who doesn't say, he'll just do. And it's beautiful, just the time that I spent before we started the show with Ram sir, or with the people, with Vinod, with the people that were helping in just the backstory, etc. But yeah, the toughest thing about Daulat was literally that he had almost nothing to say, and such intense moments throughout.
True.
But the beauty is that it was written like that in the script as well.
Yeah.
And I knew it was a beautiful role, it was lovely. Even though I read it, I would have, if I was given a chance to do anything in this whole show again, it would only be Daulat. And Daulat again and again. And it's just that they captured, unless he takes me as Arya, I'll wear a dress and do it. That's okay. But no, it would still be Daulat, to be honest. And it's just that they captured him so well, his silences, and it's just...
I totally connect with that.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, go ahead.
When I got the script, he wants to play only Daulat. I would love to play Daulat.
Okay.
I know I won't play it better than him, but
You'll play it in your own way.
Yeah, but it's actually there are many actors who crave for lines. I would love to do a part that doesn't speak much but is there, and it can be very challenging.
But I think what happens is that, yes, what are all the things that an actor can use to create that character? Obviously dialogue, which he didn't have. The other is your body, which is your movement, which he didn't have. That means the only thing that he has left is his eyes.
True.
And
The
that is what,
expressions,
yeah,
no.
that is, the eyes is what spoke as far as Daulat is concerned. So,
So, Sikandar, you've also been around in the industry for so long, but it was only after Arya there's a lot of visibility and recognition coming your way. So how did you manage to stay patient all this
it's all
while?
downhill after that.
How do you manage to stay patient?
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know whether it's patient or no. It's just like, I live in immense comfort. I'm born into a lot of comfort. I'm very lucky to be born where I'm born, firstly. Secondly, I'm not somebody who's from out of Bombay, who's trying to be an actor, who has to probably pay rent and make ends meet.
True.
So I have that. Okay, I have a home and I have a space where I can pursue a dream which is creative. So what more could anybody ask for? Just now, the lucky thing or the good thing for me is that my outlook in life in general is always positive for anything. Even if things don't work out, somehow or the other, just naturally, even if I get, something bad happens to me, if it's a bad experience, I might do the same thing again, but with positivity. Suppose if a friend has betrayed you in a way, or a somebody's broken your heart, I'll not go into something else. I'll not go into another relationship or a friendship or whatever it may be with a negative attitude or with any barrier, that's just naturally me. I'll still go fully positive. So that is just something that I think that's how I'm built. So there was no patience as such. It was just great learning. And I had a mother who said that, "Sun, तुझे acting आती है नहीं आती तो तुझसे petrol pump खुलवा देते कहीं." You know. So they let me pursue a dream and she's brutally honest, you know. So she said, "You can do it, so do it, you know, go for it. We support you." So I owe that to them, honestly. Yeah.
So after Arya, are you going to be choosy about scripts that way?
Choosy is such a funny word. I just want to be busy, to be honest. I just want to be busy. And there's so much of great stuff. And that's it, you know. For an actor, I think the most important thing is being busy for all of us. And we have so much opportunity now to just stay busy. I think that's about it. Yeah.
So Ram sir, coming back to you again. So when you were creating the show, did you always have Sushmita ma'am in mind?
No, because when it was meant to be a film, it was with somebody else. You know, I'm in no power. The actors are in power. And so they are the people who have to say yes. So in the hierarchy of the scheme of things, I'm just happy that Sushmita Sen said yes. There was no reason for her to say yes. There were many roles that I now know because she told me there were many roles that she had said no to before. And the first day that I met her with Amita, my co-producer, and we went to meet Sushmita, and she was so effusive and so energetic and so, "I'm going to do this, I want to do this," that I thought, this is great acting. Because I'm sure that, you know, when she walks out of the room, I told Amita after that, I said, yeah, now she's going to call back after 2 days and say that, you know, or her lawyer will call back and say, you know, she loves you and she really wants to do it, but actually, you know, next time, but, you know, and I thought that's what she was going to say. But she was genuinely excited. And now I know that she's straightforward, she'll tell you on your face. Yeah. And she said, yes, I want to do it, and she did it. So I think it was great that she said yes. Because I can't see anybody else playing
that
Arya.
Part. True. So are there pressures with season 2? Because season 1 was such a massive success.
There is a season 2?
Are we not releasing season 1 again?
Yeah, exactly. That's what Akash said. What we'll do is we'll just release season 1 again. And then, you know...
You said that you've forgotten Gap.
You've forgotten season 1, so now we'll just release season 1 and everybody will love it again.
So I'm going to break this news.
Season 2 का ट्रेलर दिखा के
Yeah, बस हो गया. Season 1 release करेंगे वापस. But no, there is obviously a lot of responsibility, pressure, nervousness, worry, excitement. We hope that you like it as much as you did season 1. So from the whole team, I think that we're just out there, you know, praying that it'll work again.
It will definitely work again.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for doing this with me. I had a great time chatting with you, and I really look forward to more seasons of Arya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Even if you don't like it, just pretend, be an actor and say you love it.
No, I absolutely love it.
नहीं, season 2 भी कोई अभी से ही बोल दो, बहुत अच्छा.
At least to us, हमारे मुंह पे जरूर यही बोलना पड़ता है.
Exactly.
Don't be honest. Or be honest.
No. Anyway, no, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know.